What should we draw today, Ella? Ooh, how about a dinosaur? Yeah! My friend Eli has a dinosaur for a best buddy. Okay, let's draw a dinosaur. Today, we're going to use a pencil to draw so we can erase any lines we don't want at the end. Now let's draw the head. Draw a line up, then over with a curve, and then back down. Ooh, we need eyes. Right. For the eyes, make small oval shapes. 1 and 2. And some eyebrows. We'll draw a curved line above the ovals. 1 and 2. Now what? Ooh, a mouth and a nose. For the nose, let's draw a curved line coming out from the face. We'll start just under the eyes and go straight out. Then draw a curve back toward the face. We'll give them a big smile. We'll draw a line for the top of the mouth, then a big half circle for the bottom of the mouth. Let's give them a tongue by drawing a curved line inside the mouth. Then a circle for the nostril. 1 and 2. And add an extra outline. 1 and 2. Hit pause on the video anytime you want to work on your drawing. It's time for the spikes! We'll draw triangle shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. To give them a stomach patch, we'll draw a curved line in the middle. We'll make 2 curved lines. We'll start on the left and end on the right. It's missing something. Oh, teeth. Let's give them pointy triangle shapes for teeth. 1 and 2. Now we'll turn our pencil upside down and use the eraser to get rid of any lines we don't want, like where the nose overlaps the face. Wow, it looks great! Now it's time to color! Green, yellow, red, white, pink. Show off your drawing on our Facebook page. Jester Kids, subscribe and join the fun.